In today's video, I am going to survive in the jungle for 24 hours, limited food supplies, and having a great time. So let's start the video. It's been very long that I am traveling from a distance more than 7 and 8 kilometers from now. So hopefully we found a place. My feet is burned up because it's so hot out there. I just found a place to survive. It is quite good to make a survival shelter over here, kind of a natural shelter. We don't have to need to make any type of tent or camp. We are going to survive in the open air for the more natural health. So that's the place. Guys, so this is it. That's the place where we are going to survive. Let's cut all vegetables which we have to make primitive cooking as fast as we can, because I'm super hungry at the moment after running a long time. So guys, that's the stove which we are going to use to make a food that is quite helpful while we are in the kind of a desert area. Let's collect firewood. It is uninvited guest. It could be a very dangerous, but we have to be careful about it. Guys, someone told me that this place is also known for plenty of free vegetables is available. So I'm going to use onions from this place. We have short of onions in the bag, so we are taking one of the onions to make our survival food. it it does have a quite enough calories and protein to give you enough energy to survive. If you want to make your stomach more fast and healthy, you should eat ladyfinger as natural. That is quite helpful and you will love, and it tastes so much good. onions is just about ready. Some spices to make a food more delicious. Turmeric, red chili powder. I want to add one ladyfinger to make our recipe more delicious and give more nutrients. Let's add cheese into the vegetable. That is kind of a pure, healthy paneer. Time to make dough. It's very simple. Making dough in the plastic bag. Guys, our food is about ready. Now we have to make a place where we can cook or make our breads to eat along, because I just want to eat this recipe with some delicious breads. There you go, the first one right on the coils. It is almost done. Our bread is ready, absolutely. They are super hot. I could barely touch them, but if you want to enjoy the meal in the jungle, I prefer you to enjoy hot, a bit hot, not too much. Let's taste the feast, guys. Mmm, wow, guys, that is unbelievable. So delicious, unexplainable, so delicious, guys. That is so yummy. Guys, that's the pleasure to eat with nature. There is no one who can disturb you, and yes, there is so many animals around, but you can take care of yourself. Time to make sleeping bed. That is a bed, quite comfortable, and that is the best pillow in the world. You won't find better pillow than these in the jungle. So comfy. I hope you guys may like my effort. If you want to watch more, watch my channel.